Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering some of the most common questions about Google Ads, how it works, what to expect, and how to get the most out of your investment. Let's jump in. How much does it cost to advertise on Google Ads? It depends. Costs vary based on things like keyword competition, your max bid, and your daily budget. The more competitive your market, the higher the cost, but with smart targeting and the right strategy, you can make every dollar count. Why isn't my ad showing? There are a few possible reasons. Google considers user behavior, like search history, and won't always show your ad to the same person multiple times. Also, ads rotate. So even if your ad is active, it might not show at that exact moment. Another reason? The keyword searched may not match your campaign. It's always best to check with your account manager to make sure your keywords are aligned with your strategy. Why am I not in the top position? Being at the top isn't always the best strategy. It can be expensive, and the return doesn't always match the cost. We focus on cost-effective positioning, using smart optimization, high-quality keywords, and the right campaign types to get better results, not just higher rankings.
Why is my competitor showing in a better position? Ad position is based on more than just budget. Sure, investment helps, but so do other key factors. Your CTR, click-through rate, your quality score, campaign optimization, your account history, and even your website quality. All of these help Google determine if your ad deserves a top spot, at the lowest possible cost. When will I see results? Typically, we start to see strong results after 3 to 4 months. That gives the campaign time to collect data, optimize performance, and mature. But that doesn't mean you won't see good results early on, it just gets better with time. Why install Conversion and Remarketing Tags? Because data is power. With the conversion tag, you can track exactly which ads and keywords lead to sales or contacts. With the remarketing tag, you can re-engage visitors who've already been to your site, giving them a second chance to convert. Together, they make your campaign smarter and more profitable. What is quality score, and why does it matter? Quality score is a 1 to 10 rating Google gives your ads. It's based on 3 things: your expected CTR, your ad relevance, and your landing page experience. A high quality score means better ad performance and lower costs per click. Why is CTR so important? CTR stands for click-through rate. It measures how many people saw your ad and clicked. A higher CTR improves your quality score, lowers your costs, and helps your ad show up more often in better positions. Bottom line? A strong CTR brings better results, without increasing your budget. Got more questions about Google Ads? Reach out through our website, or keep exploring this playlist for more tips. When you're ready to take your campaigns to the next level, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.